We're just getting ready to leave right now. And what do you want to say, John?
I want to. There's no one just go with mommy. And then he showed me he got my present.
But I'm so excited for the Toona'i. Are you okay?
I say, mommy left birthday for my birthday.
I learned this new song, guys. Easy on me. Easy on me, baby. I was still a child. I didn't get the chance to feel the world around me.
Play rugby. Are you gonna be a good rugby player? Oh, good job. Yeah. You gonna be like Daddy?
Big time. Big time.
Look at you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are so grateful for you guys and your support. Thank you, and I don't think we say that enough anyway, so you're probably going to be sick of me saying it in every video, because that's how grateful we are. If you are new to our channel, welcome. We're the polytube family. This video is going to be all about our Sunday Toona'i today. We've already done the shopping and everything, and I've done the oka. So the menu for today's Toona'i is oka, falai'a, supama moe, and sapasui moa, sakawha'i, and rice. I hope you guys enjoy and hang out with us until the end. See you in the next one. See ya. See that our sapasui is ready now. Looking good. And our supama moe. So this is me showing everything on the table. Vela umame ai, falai'a, that's hoki, and oka, it's tuna.
Hi, Leah. This is food we're about to eat. Thank you for letting us have a good day.
Alright, pass your plate.
Thank you. The fish tastes really nice.
The fish is hokey. The grilled one or the fried one. Last day of school is Friday, so yeah, exciting times for the kids.
Yeah, but I also miss my friends.
Come on.
No.
This is when seconds before we got a phone call, and that's when the video stopped. We forgot to record again. We're just gonna go for a walk right now around the block, and I think we're just gonna end the video here. If you made it this far, thank you so much for always supporting us, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Tofa.